Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Create to Inspire. In this video, I will be showing how to make eco-friendly bowls using banana leaves. So let's get started. Get fresh banana leaves from your garden, or you can also get them from a nearby market. Take any plate according to the size of the plate you are going to make. I am marking the edge using a toothpick. Now cut it using scissors through the marking and the plate will be ready. I have shared some info of how to use these bowls and health benefits of eating on banana leaves along with some tips in this video. So watch the full video without skipping. Wash the plate neatly before use. Take a coconut leaf and separate the leaf from the rib. Eating on banana leaf is healthy and chemical free. It has antibacterial properties that can kill germs in the food. It also helps in easy digestion. Now cut the coconut leaf rib into pieces as shown with sharp edges so that it will be easy to pin them into the leaf. Make a plate as shown previously and wash it. Fold 4 sides of the leaf and pin it using coconut leaf rib. I love to eat on banana leaf during festivals with all the dishes on the fresh leaf. If you are one of them who loves eating on banana leaves, comment down your thoughts below. Cut the banana leaf as shown and wash it with water. Now place the leaves like this and cut the extras. Now fold the leaf as shown and pin it using coconut leaf rib. Repeat the process on the other side too. You can make them in different sizes as per your choice. Cut the banana leaf as shown and wash it with water. Banana leaf bowls can be used in different ways. Traditionally, these are used to offer food to God. In olden days, these bowls are used as a cup to hold liquid foods while eating on a banana leaf instead of steel bowls. These days, we are eating famous donne biryani, which is prepared using banana leaves. Steaming food along with banana leaves gives flavor to the dish. Now cut the edge of the leaf as shown. Fold the pieces and pin it using coconut leaf rib. You can make them in different sizes as per your choice. Cut the banana leaf as shown. If you have kids at your home, let them try making these bowls. It will be a very interesting activity for them. Make them into 2 pieces and wash it with water. Now fold one leaf and place it in the middle of the other one. Now cut all the sides as shown and pin it so that you will get a flower shaped bowl. You can also use stapler pins instead of coconut leaf rib, but it will be dangerous if it goes along with food while eating. So you can use them if you want to keep fruits or flowers in it. Banana leaves are eco-friendly. They easily decompose in a short time, unlike plastic. So let's use banana leaves and save the environment. I hope you all like this video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye bye.